In this video, we're going to expand double brackets. Now what we need to do is take the two terms in our first bracket and multiply both of them by the two terms in the second bracket. So this is how we go about doing it. So let's multiply the two first terms in each of the brackets. So that's going to be x times x. And then add to that the first term in the first bracket and the last term in the second bracket, so 3 times x. Now we're going to multiply the second term in the first bracket by the first term in the second bracket, and then do the last terms, so 2 times 3. So if we simplify this out, we're going to have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, which then, if I collect the like terms in the middle, gives me x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now let's try these two examples. So we're going to have x squared plus x. So I've multiplied the second bracket by the first term in the first bracket. Now let's do the second term in the first bracket. So that's negative 8. So negative 8 times x is negative 8x. And negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. So if I collect like terms, I'm going to get x squared minus 7x minus 8. Okay, let's try the second example on this page. So 3x times 2x is going to give me 6x squared. 3x times negative 4 is going to give me negative 12x. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Let's simplify. We're going to get 6x squared minus 10x minus 4.